How to make stickers with a Rollo printer. Step 1. Before we begin, ensure that you have a Rollo thermal printer and round thermal stickers measuring 2.25 inches by 2.25 inches. Note, sticker can be of any shape you like, such as circles, squares, rectangles, or any other shape which you like. Step 2. Open your browser on your computer and log in into Canva app. Step 3. Click on Create a sticker design. Step 4. Select the custom size. Step 5. Open Units drop-down menu. Step 6. Select Inch option from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Enter 2.25 in both the width and height fields to match your sticker paper size and press the Create New Design button. Great job, we are all set. Now let's search for a cool sticker design to use. Step 8. Go to the search bar and search for thank you sticker. Note you can search any type of sticker you like. In this video tutorial, I am using thank you sticker as an example. Step 9. Browse the sticker designs, pick one you like and click on it to add it to your blank area. Step 10. Once your design is added, feel free to adjust or customize it as you like. If you are happy with it as it was, just skip to the next step. Step 11. Once you are satisfied with your sticker design, click on the share button. Step 12. Click on the download icon. Step 13. Make sure the file type is selected as PNG and press the download button. Step 14. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open it. Step 15. On the next window screen, click on the printer icon. Note, make sure your Rollo printer is turned on and connected to your computer. If you have made it so far, great job. Now let's print the thank you sticker using our Rollo printer. Step 16. The print window will pop up. Make sure your Rollo printer is selected under the printer section. If it is not listed, click on add a printer to connect it. Step 17. Also double check that the paper size is set correctly. Once everything looks good, click print to start printing your sticker. Step 18. The Rollo printer will now print thank you sticker ready to be used on parcels, thank you cards or businesses orders. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, you can subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manny Maker or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't addressed your issue yet, please let us know in the comment section.